y'all, I'm Patty and this is Lil Red Southern Kitchen. Tonight we're having breakfast for supper. We are having buttermilk French toast. And I need glasses. Get my griddle started. Get your griddle warming up on medium heat, which is about 300. Because you don't want it to get real hot. Alright, one thing. I've got some Texas toast here. You do not want fresh bread. Can you see me? Can you see me?
Not you. I mean, what do you want to see? I see the bread.
Okay.
You
Don't
got bread.
get fresh bread. You kind of want it a little older. But I got some Texas toast. Like I said, this is buttermilk French toast. Oh. Well, I am not together, obviously. Alright, I'll need 3 eggs. I'm just making 5 slices, so 3 for Tony and 2 for me. 2 might be too much. Set these all to the side. And you need 3/4 of a cup of buttermilk, well shaken. You need a 1/4 teaspoon of almond extract. God, that smells good. Now I stuck some on my nose, I think. And almond extract goes a long way, so you need a 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon. And a 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg. I did spray my griddle with cooking spray. Now when you put this in here, you do want it to sit for just a second, but you don't let it sit forever to where it falls apart. There's a lot of mixture. I might save some and make some more later on. Maybe I'll have some for my breakfast one day. And it is ready. And you want to let this cook about 4 to 5 minutes per side.
45 minutes per side.
Yeah, 45 minutes a side. Don't y'all love my husband? By the time y'all see that, the winner will have been chosen for the giveaway. I'm taking this week off and I'm going to shoot some videos and get caught up. and get some things done around here because we're getting ready for Halloween, and I'll be doing our Halloween video. And I've heard that we're going to have a special guest that night, so I'm excited. I think y'all will like this lady, maybe not. Alright, like I said, 4 to 5 minutes per side. So I'm going to let that cook and I'll bring y'all back.
Oh, guess you want me to stop it now.
Yeah.
Everything.
Okay, I'm getting ready to grab these up, but I wanted to show you. These are loaded pork breakfast poppers. They are really good. They're in the frozen foods. They're tasty breakfast poppers. I got them at Walmart, so we already got into them and sampled them, and they're really good. So,
mine are cooked.
got some powdered sugar.
I say that better not be cornstarch.
It's not cornstarch. Alright, and Tony's going to use regular syrup. I'm going to use blueberry syrup. Alright guys, I want to thank you for joining me. Hope y'all make this buttermilk French toast. I'm excited to eat it. And don't forget to try out these breakfast poppers. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. I'd love to have y'all in the family. And when you do, hit the bell notifications. You'll be notified every time I upload a video, which is every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 2 p.m. That is Eastern Standard Time. Share it out on your social media. Leave me a comment and give me a big thumbs up. Alright guys, breakfast ready. Love you, bye.
Oh, geez, you wanted me to record that?
Yeah.
Okay, bye now.